Hey, we back with an eating video. Now look, I'm excited for this video because this is a special type of potato chips for me, man. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into it. TAKIS KETTLEZ chips. They spell kettles with a Z. So you know this shit finna be epic. FUEGO. Now look, now y'all always hit, I don't know where they got this idea from. I don't know if this came out before my videos. I'm just gonna assume these bag of chips did come out before I started doing eating videos. But one thing I can say about these is if you watch any of my chip videos, I always say this. If TAKIS, as hot as TAKIS are, and as crunchy as kettle chips are, if you put them together, that would be the perfect chip in my eyes. I always say that. Any and everybody that know me know that I say that. The hottest chips to me ever that I've ever had is TAKIS. And the crunchiest is the kettle chips. So now that they came together, this gonna be amazing. All right, so it's a nice amount of chips in there, you know. Excuse me. These chips making me sneeze. As soon as I did this and the smell hit my nose, it made me sneeze. But anyway, that's the fold, so y'all can see where I'm folding it at. That's how much chip is in the bag versus how much air. These chips big as hell. I'm gonna pull a chip out in a minute, but I'm just trying to show y'all like how much in there. There you go. They smell hot. I'm excited, man. Like I said, TAKIS my favorite hot chip ever, and KETTLEZ is my favorite crunchy chip. I grabbed a small chip. I would say tastes like heaven, but these hot as hell. Y'all see, I don't usually cough in my videos, so that kind of let y'all know how hot they are. I'm about to eat another one. This motherfucker really hot. Y'all see that burn mark? That bitch damn near brown. That one had a lot of seasoning. These chips ain't bad at all. I'm gonna do my rating after I eat one more. I think y'all know what I'm gonna rate these. If you've been watching my eating videos since forever, I think y'all know what I'm gonna give the rating. The crunch, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the crunchiest, 1 being the least crunchiest, they're a 10. They're perfect. These is the perfect, listen to the crunch. These is the perfect amount of crunch. Trying to do ASMR. I feel like I'm chewing on a brick. Not like a drug brick. I mean like a real, like a brick that you build stuff with. Crunch is the 10. Flat out. Flavor, $10. These are officially the greatest chips I ever had in my life. Officially. Any TAKIS brand is amazing. But when you add the kettle and you add that extra crunch to it, this is like amazing on another level. I'm finna eat all these right now. I forgot how much they cost. I ordered them offline. Whatever I paid, they worth it. Y'all rarely see me do this. Y'all rarely see me do this. I had to take a little swig. I ain't drink that much. I'm a soldier, man. I'm a soldier like Slim. I'm a soldier like Jim. These bitches wet, man. For those who don't know, wet mean good where I'm from. I'm not gonna eat all these on camera. But I definitely recommend these. $10 out of 10. Chip. 10 on the crunch. 10 on the spice. They like a flat version of the original TAKIS. And the original TAKIS, if you know anything about the original TAKIS, them perfect. Just like these.